facebook.com/ads/library. Go on here and choose United States if it's the market where you want to do drop servicing for flipping website design. Click all ads and then type in, for example, accounting. It can be restaurant, cafe, gym, anything really. We essentially are going to be reselling website for small businesses. So first of all, what are we looking at? So Facebook Ads Library is a library that contains all the ads of people running ads on Facebook. Why is this super important for us? Because we have a direct route to actually reach out to these businesses. Because number one, we know that these people are investing in marketing right now. Not 3 months ago, not 6 months ago, not a year ago. Right now. Look, 1 day ago, they launched this ad. Because now, if I reach out to this business, accounting and tax services, I can actually, for example, cold call and say, hey, Stearns & Company Accounting and Tax Services, I see that you're currently running a Facebook ads. Would you be interested in us bringing you a lot of clients without you having to run any paid ads, without you having to do anything, and just, let's jump on a call. Let's schedule a call. I'll show you the process and things like that. Now, we're not even talking about websites and things like that. We're not even talking about that. Our goal is just to schedule a call. Now, once we schedule a call, then we need to really talk about, we are going to improve your website, and then we're going to make certain changes to the way you operate your website in order to actually increase the number of leads for your business. So for example, this company is currently running Cycle CPA Landscaping Accountant.
And by the way, if you're interested in making money online, one of the most popular ways right now is to monetize Claude by creating and selling digital products. For example, you can ask Claude to generate an ebook, social media content packs, Notion templates, prompt packs, and even mini courses that solve a specific problem. And then instead of leaving those files sitting on your computer, you can actually sell them. That's where Super Profile comes in. It's an all-in-one platform where you can upload and sell digital products, host online courses, accept payments, and even let clients book one-on-one coaching sessions. One feature I particularly like is their Instagram auto DM. Instead of manually replying to every comment or message, you can automatically send people a link to a product whenever they comment a specific keyword. So if your reel goes viral, your audience instantly receives the link without you lifting a finger. It's a great alternative to ManyChat if you're looking for an easy way to automate Instagram. I'm going to quickly show you the platform as well. So as you can see, I can set up auto DM. I just need to connect my Instagram. I can launch a store. If you want to sell digital products, select one of them. If you're selling ebooks, let's say generated with Claude, you can click on that, add this, add the cover image, upload all this info, and then continue to upload your product. So the workflow is simple. Use Claude to create valuable digital products, upload them to Super Profile, promote them on Instagram, and let AutoDM to help you convert your viewers into customers automatically. Recently, they also launched Facebook automation, and one more great deal they have is they're also launching WhatsApp DMs soon. So if you want to check it out, if you sign up with my link in the description below, you'll get access to the plan for $4.99 a month for the first month instead of $29.
So this is basically an accountant focusing on landscaping companies, CFO services, bookkeeping, and things like that in New York State. So this is the phone number. So if you're brave enough, pick up the phone now, give him a call, and you can actually pitch him, bringing in new clients. So this is the key. Again, I'm not saying that you're going to pick up and say, hey, do you need a new website design? I can offer you a better price and things like that. No, everybody hates that. Also, you can send emails as well with the same offer. So essentially what you want to offer is that we're going to help them to bring in more clients. Now, let's open a website, okay? Okay, it's pretty bad. Let's be real. This website is pretty bad. Also, why there is no phone number at the top? This is a very bad mistake. A lot of websites are doing that. There is a contact us page, fair enough. I can go there, right, and can get their phone number, but like, it's not a good thing. typically you want a huge phone number at the top. It will increase conversions, even though you can schedule a call, but still, I think it's a good practice. Also, I don't think this website is good. Look, this is not aligned. For example, as you can see, this is not aligned with the button. It's aligned with that, or what is it aligned with? You know, it's just a really crappy website. Why is this not here? This is a static image that has nothing to do, and that's what I want to see. I want to see this guy up here. Yeah, this website needs a lot of work. So, what else can we do? Because the last thing we want is we want to call this guy, right? Or email this guy and get a response. That sounds good, okay? But I don't want to dish out any money on this, right? I don't want to invest money in web designs, in marketing and things like that. I want to get money back. So that's what we're saying. Look, I'm not pitching you to create a website and I leave. No. I'm pitching you something different, where I'm actually going to help you to gain new clients. And one of the things that we're going to do for that process is to actually create you a proper website. Because what is this? This website is not converting. Or if it is converting, is probably not converting as well as it could be converting. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you one thing that this guy, for example, is not currently doing, and I can almost guarantee with 99% certainty that this would increase his conversions. Have a look at this. Leaving already. Join, received $10 discount. First name, email address, get $10 coupon. This could be implemented on a lot of different websites, including accountancy websites as well, where if the person came on a website, scrolled around, watched the video, went to the services, went to the pricing, right? And then he thinks, yeah, that sounds good, but you know what? Maybe I'm not sure what I want to do. Maybe I want to go for this one actually. You know, I might spend $1,100 a month, but I'm not actually sure. I'll think about it. I'll come back here tomorrow. And they just leave. Now, if you have an exit pop-up, it's called exit intent pop-up. If you have it like that, right? Very high chance that the person is actually going to leave the email. I've tested it, okay? I'm not just talking from like my, some ideas or whatever. I have worked with websites implementing exit pop-up, okay? The results are usually crazy. About 20 to 30% of people are actually leaving emails depending on, the website pretty much. So imagine if this guy is getting, for example, 100 people a day visiting the website. If he can collect 20 emails every single day, that's 600 emails a month. Brother, this is insane, right? 600 emails a month. And then he can do email marketing that we can also help him to do by using Fiverr suppliers, okay? Or by you running, for example, MailChimp or something like that, okay? Importing his emails, working with him, helping him to get more clients. That's just one thing. Just implementing the exit pop-up, exit intent pop-up, we can skyrocket his leads. It's crazy. Like, they don't even have to do anything. They don't have to run any paid ads or anything like that. This is one of the easiest things that a lot of people are not even thinking about. So let's go down and we want to find some other accountancy companies. Hopefully we're going to find something like we did with the first one, which had a really, really average website, okay? Because let's be real, like if we find an extremely, extremely good website, it's kind of difficult to land them. Another one, Henderson Bookkeeping and Accounting. Again, 0 likes, 0 followers. Bro, this strategy of making money is crazy. I'm sure that a lot of you guys are going to make money with this, because I'm showing you how to find like super small businesses who are right now basically investing money into marketing, and we can get and talk to them right now. It's crazy, right? Look, another phone number and another email address of Shannon. Okay, let's look at this website. I mean, it's okay. It looks like it's powered by GoDaddy. Bro, seriously, no. Please don't make websites on GoDaddy. Like, please. No, honestly, this is not good. No. I don't like it. No, I like website builders, Wix, Squarespace, but yeah, GoDaddy, no. Don't make websites on GoDaddy. We can help Shannon again to build a new website, okay? And how much money can we charge? Again, I keep talking about we can resell these websites, but how much money can we actually charge? How does it actually work? So let's just say we call up Shannon or we email Shannon and we say, I see that you're running a Facebook ad right now. I'm seeing that you're not having as much traction on your Facebook ads, and I help companies like yours in accountancy in the United States to gain new clients by creating a landing page or a website and similar kind of marketing automations. Would you be interested in scheduling a free call so I can audit your Facebook ads, okay? And we can talk about really how to skyrocket your, your Facebook strategy, whatever you want to do, right? It's something like that where you're just basically explaining to her that you read her ad. It's not just an email about some cold email that you don't know anything about her business. We know that she's running an ad. We know what the ad is about. We know that she's probably struggling because she doesn't really have many followers, right? And things like that. Now, once you do that, once you get on a call, this is where we're going to make the money. We can just straight up explain that. We can create the exit pop-up. Okay, this will increase your conversions. We can create a landing page and run TikTok ads. We can run Facebook ads better than you can. We can run Google ads. Okay, we can optimize your SEO so you can get some actual, free traffic as well, not just, running Facebook ads. There's a lot of things that you can pitch on the call. But our goal really is just to get on call, because if you get on the call, chances are you're probably going to land the person for some kind of thing. And it may be website design. Hopefully, website design is part of the package. Now, what we usually are going to do, hopefully, if you want to do the way I do it, is I usually try to pitch people on a Wix platform, okay? Now, why is that? Because I've personally played around with Wix a lot. I can build a Wix website in about a few hours without any suppliers. It's just super simple, really. You can do it, but some people are also buying Wix, Wix supplier services on here as well. Those people who don't know how to really, create anything on Wix, customize templates and things like that. It's super simple, honestly, but you can do this. So, for example, Shannon says, you know what? That's a good idea. I actually need a website that will look really good. And I also want to get rid of this GoDaddy thing at the bottom because it's actually pissing me off. Okay? Powered by GoDaddy, I don't know how to remove that. I just don't know how to do that. And things like that, Also, this is a very basic website as well. Like, as we can see, it's super basic, right? Maybe we want to do, for example, an integration with software like Calendly, okay? Because here it's like, it only sends an email. You don't actually book a call, okay? And things like that. So there's a bunch of stuff we can do. Also, where is the call to action here? Why is it at the bottom? On a smaller screen, you might not see this. I would much rather put it here. Where's the phone number on there? Shannon, please, somebody pitch her the website design, honestly, before I do it anyway. So, if Shannon agrees on $950, we're going to make $800 of profito. This is amazing. Like I said, you don't even have to be a web designer. A lot of people think that, now it's so cool for those people who studied web design and who went to college. And I can make money from web design without being a web designer. This is really no longer required to be a programmer to do this kind of thing. You can do this easily with a supplier, or you can even do it yourself. And then, of course, resell it, flip it, drop service it, however you want to call it, to make money. And of course, once you get a client, then as I explained, if the client pays you $950, it's gonna go in. You're gonna receive that in tranches. Of course, nobody's gonna pay you $950 upfront. So you will ask for 20 to 30% of payment before you start the work, So for example, you say, before starting this work, Shannon, could you please send me $300 deposit? So if she sends you $300 deposit, you buy in here, you're already in profit and you're making her website. Once the website is done, she'll pay you the remaining money. That's how it works. This is super simple. I recommend using Wix for all of your clients, unless the client has a strong preference, for example, to use, let's say, WordPress, or some people use Squarespace, Joomla, OpenCart. You know, there's a lot of these website builders, but I say if the client does not have a preference, always go for Wix. It's easy to manage. Pricing is very simple. It's very easy to do the handover with the client, because you just create the free website on the Wix platform, and then you just give him the logins, he changes the logins, and you essentially hand it over the website. It's super simple. There's no like downloads and uploads of files and things like that. It's very, very easy. It's really very, very good strategy.
Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in this video next.